Diane. Right, watch. The chorus, 2, 3, 4.
My name's Hugh and I'm a musician. Well, this project has been introducing young people to a variety of instruments just to trigger their interest in doing something different. And really is to encourage them to have a go at things they may not have done before. This has come from an organisation called Trac, and their remit is to encourage the playing and the listening to of traditional Welsh music. But the other thing about this project is what is the hidden things, which is you give people confidence. And this works at any age, but if you can give young people confidence, they do no end of things. And I remember once teaching someone how to clock dance. And that's all I did. And then he performed as a clock dancer, and then suddenly believed he could abseil anyway, because he had confidence. Now, I don't get the connection between abseiling and clock dancing, but it just gave him enough confidence to try anything. 1, 2, 3, go.
Next up, for those of you who don't speak Welsh, we have Bill and Bowen Rees, who
my name's Ashley. I come down Georgetown Youth Club every week for other projects, and this was a project that our youth club leader brought in for us to participate in because it's something a few of us take an interest in. I've been learning how to play instruments since I was the age of 8. I picked up violin when I was 8, piano when I was in year 8, and I recently bought a ukulele and learning how to play guitar. And the first night they came here, they brought in a few different instruments. There were bagpipes, an accordion, and a harp, a knee harp, and I got to play that. And I thought that was just really interesting and quite fascinating, and that sort of helped me have a wider understanding of other instruments.
I'm Sam, and I've been going around a few different youth clubs and boys and girls club, coming in and showing people a bit about folk music and how to write songs and get songs together, and how they market themselves and how to kind of take their product then into further afield outside of the club. The song that we've been doing with the group here in Soar has been in Welsh, and it's quite strange for me being a gog from the north that there isn't that much Welsh here, so it's quite important to make the most of the kids that can speak the language here and make sure that they kind of use it outside of school or whatever, or use it in songs or in conversation. So I think it's definitely important to promote the language, as it's really struggling down here compared to in North Wales.
My name's Aiden and I'm a music tutor. I've been playing since I was 7 years old. I play over 30 instruments, but my favourite is probably a harmonica. I think music's inherent in you because you've got a pulse, you've got a heartbeat, so you've got a natural rhythm. So I think everybody can do it. And a lot of people say, well, I can't do that. So you show them how, and they feel like they're 10 foot tall, and they think, well, that's fantastic. And then eventually, if they keep practicing, they can have not just a hobby, but a living. And it's about confidence and feeling good and being able to identify with the roots of the music. My mum and dad are from Ireland, so I was listening to Irish music and Celtic music from when I was a little chap, and that music's important, so I try and share that with people. And when you show them the way of it and how to do it, that's sort of doing what we ought to do, really, and keep traditional music going in this country. So.
Hi, my name's Evan. Well, we started off when our youth worker dragged us down to one of those kind of introductory days for this thing called the Big Music Project, which has given us loads of opportunities to learn about the music industry in general. Like everyone, I've been listening to music since a very young age, kind of got into the kind of rock and metal scene, and I ended up playing electric bass, and that's what I'm doing at this project now. In terms of what I've actually learned here, I've learned how to play harmonica. We learned how to play a harp. And we also learned a bit of clog dancing. Especially if I go into the music industry, it helps, say you're setting up your own business. It's a good way to get people to know about you. especially the kind of lessons we had on kind of how to use social media to advertise. That's going to come useful in pretty much any field that you do. In terms of the music industry, it's helped me massively with my confidence, especially playing in front of people. Yeah, it's been a really good experience all around.